How to display product reviews on Shopify mobile app. To display product reviews on your Shopify store using the mobile app, start by installing a review app from the Shopify App Store. Shopify product reviews, Looks, or Judge.me are some popular choices. Open the Shopify app, go to the Store tab, and tap Apps. Tap the plus icon to open the App Store, then search for a review app and install it. Once installed, open the app from your Shopify dashboard and follow the setup prompts. Most apps will automatically add a review section to your product pages, but if manual setup is needed, follow the in-app instructions. You can also customize how reviews appear, like showing star ratings or verified buyer tags. After setup, your customers will see a section on each product page where they can read or leave reviews. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.